Hi, it's George Clooney. No, I'm kidding, it's Mikhail. Today we have a new tip video where I'm going to show you how to use coffee grounds for your indoor growing. Here we go, let's go. Coffee grounds are a great natural and ecological fertilizer. It will be there to boost your plants. I'll show you how to use it now. All you need to do is sprinkle some coffee grounds around your plants. And even though it doesn't contain enough caffeine to be toxic against slugs and snails, it can still keep them away. Coffee grounds are an excellent compost activator. If you have a vermicomposter at home, feel free to mix your coffee grounds inside. The worms are fans of this substance. That will allow them to easily transform the plants into compost. In addition to that, it is very good soil for semi. It is rich in nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. You just have to take 50% of the coffee grounds and mix it with 50% of the potting soils. Of course, you have to do it like Nusret, Mr. Salt Bay. You take a little bit like this and you put it like that. Of course, I'm kidding. You just have to mix it properly and it will be great for your seedling. I hope you like this video. Don't hesitate to leave a blue thumb, a comment, and activate the bell. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.